স্যার প্রসেসটা আরেকবার একটু দেখাবেন।
Can you see my screen, Sephora?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you understood that part?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I changed. I didn't do the find again. I just changed the first find. That is for you, it's J. And I created the first name on
Now
the
see, there
end.
is a problem with what you did. That's what I was trying to tell you. I'll just explain this. What is the problem? Now see, if I do left, how many characters do I need from left? From where? From A2. How many characters do I need? I am including a formula within a formula. I will get find what space from where? From A2, starting from which position? 1. Close the bracket and close this bracket. Okay. Now in this I did not do -1. So what will happen? I will still get Ajay, and if I drag this, I will get all of them correctly. You think it is correct? We can see it, right? Saurav, Sachin, Virat. You think it is correct? Now see, how can we check whether it is correct or not? We will give a length here. We want to know the length of Ajay. What should be the answer? Length of Ajay should be how much? Yes, tell me. What should be the length of Ajay?
4.
4. Now I want N2. Right? What is it coming? What is the length of Saurav here? 6.
6.
So instead of 6, what am I getting?
You're getting the space also, sir.
Correct. Because when we did this find, we took what? We took 5 characters because space is in the 5th position. Therefore, we have to do this -1. Because we do this -1, now if I drag it, all of them will come out correctly. There is another way to identify whether there is space or not, which is there is a formula called as concatenate. What does concatenate do? It combines 2 characters. So I can do this concatenate with, let's say, $sign, with this ampersand sign or $sign. Now see, we can clearly see there is a space after Ajay. But if I do this -1, then see there is no space after Ajay. Did you see the difference? Sandeep, clear?
So this formula is used to combine 2 words, right? 2, 3,
Correct.
whatever.
Correct. Correct. Okay. So this was about our initial first day. Next day also we'll do formulas. But right now we have done the first step of text formulas. Okay. Now I will show you some date formulas. Now, how can we see the date? Like, let's say if I use a formula now, which opens the bracket and closes the bracket, I get the current date and time. If I do today and open the bracket and close the bracket, it will only show me today's date. today, date and time. And this is today, date only. Clear? Sephora, clear? So this time it picks up from my desktop time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let's say we have somebody's, let's say, date of birth. We want to find out somebody's age. So let's say I give the date of birth as 1/1/1990. Now, if I want to find somebody's age is what? Date minus date. So this date is bigger than this date. So I can do date minus this date. So I will get so many days. This I have to divide by 365.25. 25 is for the leap year. So I get 32 years, 0.5, approximately 32.5 years. Now that approximation we have to do every time. If I want to get a exact age, then I'll have to round it also. Round this number. So I'll get exact 33 because 32 years, it's more than 0.5, so it rounds up. So there are formulas like round up, round down, and so on. Clear? Now, there is a function which is used to get the date which is better. Okay, using dated if. Age using dated if. What does this do? This does dated if. Now, this is actually not a published function. So I will get it like this, dated if. So here, from date to date. From date is 1990 to today's date, comma. I have to use the format here. So it will give me completed years. Or I can write it here, years. Now, if I want month, again, I can use this formula, dated if, from date, comma, to date, comma. Here I will use YM. That means 32 years, 6 months. 1st January. So January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months. And how many days? Again, dated if, from date, comma, to date, comma. Here I have to give MD. Got it?
So can you please show the year one formula, please? Dated if of the year.
This one is better, sir. Calculate date or years.
You have mosquitoes at your home, Sandeep?
No, no, no. No mosquitoes.
No mosquitoes.
No mosquitoes.
Okay, suppose you have mosquitoes. How can you kill a mosquito?
Well, I have a bat, electric bat.
Okay, you can use a bat.
Swipe.
What are the
swipe the bat.
options you have? What are the options you have? You have a bat, electric bat. What else? Sephora, what else can you use to kill a mosquito?
Mosquito repellent.
Repellent, all out. You can use your hand,
Yeah.
right? You can use a gun, right?
My
So
God.
here also,
What can?
you have different types of formulas and flash fill and other features. So depending on the scenario, you will have to use the appropriate one. Got it? Sometimes dated if may be appropriate, sometimes find may be appropriate, sometimes left may be appropriate. It all depends on what you need.
But sir, you have to use a smart one.
See, that's a judgment call, right? In fact, that is the most important skill. When to use what?
Yeah.
Try this out from your side.
Sir, who I? Hey. Very
Is it working? And then you can use the concatenate here. Okay. So if you use concatenate, you can say like this, concatenate. So concatenate also has a function like this. So you can say 32, then space, then years, then space, then months. See here, your entire thing is building up. Then space, months, then 8. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
बच्चे
Yes, sir. Try করছি।
Sephora, is it working? Try it.
স্যার ফর্মুলাটা কি ছিল এক্স্যাক্টলি? Dated if
So how did we get this, the age, first of all?
Which one? 33 years.
The 1187 is what you have given.
Which one?
1187. 11877.
Oh, this one. This one is date minus date. Today's date minus the date of birth.
So you'll have to show me from the beginning. So the today's date and time, we've done it with bracket, open bracket, close bracket, right?
Which one? Yeah, open the bracket and close the bracket. Now.
স্যার ইকুয়াল টু ডেটেড ডিফ যখন লিখছি তখন তো কিছু দিচ্ছে না।
না দেবে না তো, বললাম যে ওটা পাবলিশ, ইট ইজ নট আ পাবলিশড ফাংশন।
তাহলে কি করবো স্যার?
জাস্ট গো অন টাইপিং।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
The date of birth formula.
Date of birth I just entered by hand because every person's date of birth may be different, right?
And this age formula, can you please show me again, please, sir?
This one?
No, age. Not age using date if, but age. Yeah.
This one? Date minus date.
Yeah.
স্যার এই ভিডিওর লিংকটা একটুখানি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাঠিয়ে দেবেন
কিসের?
এই ভিডিওর যে লিংকটা আছে রেকর্ডিং
হ্যাঁ
হচ্ছে তো?
ওগুলো সবই তো আপলোড হয়।
ঠিক আছে।
And so can you go to the 13 cell F13, please? F13. Thank you. So what is this 365.25?
This is 365 days in a year and 0.25 is for the leap year.
So I've shared on WhatsApp. I'm getting that error.
Oh, WhatsApp. Okay, 1 minute. B14, you are giving B14. You should give B12. That is the date, right? Sephora? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
See, you have given B14. It is not B14. It is actually B12. And first you have to give from date. From date. That is date of birth. 7/7. Oh, you have given 22 and 2027. 2027. Person is not yet born, huh?
It's wrong. It's just random figure.
No wonder Excel is confused.
Okay, it's C12 and B12, right?
Correct.
Okay, got it.
Sandeep, you doing okay?
So I'm trying. I'm doing.
But for the year, again, I'm getting an error. Is it because of the year being...
Did you change for both of them?
Yes, I've shared a screenshot for you to see.
No, last one is the days, right?
Yes.
And the spelling is also incorrect. Dated. There's only one F in if. That is the reason why it is giving an error.
Yes, sir, it's done. Thank you.
So suppose you have a date of birth of a group of employees for whom you want to find their age, then you can easily do using this. Just drag it and it will give you the number of years.
স্যার যখন আমি ওই ডেটেড ইফ ফর্মটা ইউজ করছি তো ইয়ারের গ্যাপটা যখন দেওয়ার পর যখন এন্টার মারছি তখন আপনার 0 আসছে আনসার।
ফ্রম
Year
ডেট টু ডেট
calculation
ঠিক
এর জন্য।
করে দেয়া আছে, ফ্রম ডেটটা প্রথমে আসবে।
হ্যাঁ 1988 সাপোজ ফ্রম ডেট এন্ড 2022 কারেন্ট ডেট, তো এই বেসিসে
আচ্ছা,
দিয়েছিলাম,
একবার
দিয়ে
share করুন।
ওয়াই অ্যাপোস্ট্রফি। স্যার এইখানে এই ফর্মুলাটা
এটাতে ইয়ার দিয়েছে, আমি তো ডেট দিতে বলেছি।
হ্যাঁ এক মিনিট।
You are supposed to enter the date, not the year.
তো স্যার ইয়ারের জন্য কোনটা আছে?
Year minus year is a number.
আচ্ছা এটা তাহলে ওয়াই ফর মানে হচ্ছে আপনার ডেট এই আছে তো, ওয়াই মানে মান্থ, তাই তো স্যার?
I'll share the formula again. It has, please follow the exact formula. Okay, if you try to use your format, it will not work.
Okay.